How does onion juice help hair growth? Onions, normally seen as a humble kitchen staple, may have uses other than simply adding flavor to our food. It might sound surprising, but onion juice can also be a home remedy for hair loss. About 80 million men and women in the United States have some degree of hair loss. The most common cause of hair thinning or loss is a hereditary condition called androgenetic alopecia. It can also happen as a side effect of some medications or because of hormonal changes. One home remedy many people may not have heard of is onion juice. Onions contain certain minerals which may be good for the hair. However, anyone allergic to onions should not use onion juice on their hair. Nutrients in the onion juice applied to the hair may nourish the hair follicles, which might increase volume, shine, and improve hair strength. The extra nutrition may also minimize breakages and thinning. In this video, you will learn some of the reasons why onions help improve the health of the hair. Number 1. Dietary sulfur. One theory on how onion juice can help hair regrowth is that onions contain dietary sulfur. Sulfur is one of the most common minerals in the body. It is needed for the adequate production of enzymes and proteins. Sulfur is also found in keratin, which is one of the components of hair. The sulfur in onion juice may provide the hair with the nourishment it needs to grow. It may also increase the growing phase of the hair. Number 2. Antimicrobial properties. Onions have antibacterial properties which may help fight scalp infections. In some cases, a scalp infection can contribute to hair loss. A healthy scalp is more likely to have strong hair follicles. Number 3. Antioxidants. Onions contain antioxidants such as flavonoids. Antioxidants are believed to protect the body from free radicals. Free radicals are thought to contribute to the aging process. For example, free radicals may destroy the hair follicles and lead to thinning and loss of hair. Canceling out or decreasing free radicals may reduce damage to the hair follicles. Application. For those who want to try using onion juice to improve hair health or promote regrowth, these steps can be followed. Peel about 4 onions and chop them into small pieces. Extract the juice out of the onion by either squeezing it or using a juicer. Another option is placing the onion pieces into a blender and blending them into a paste. Place the paste in a cheesecloth and squeeze all the juice out. Apply the juice to the scalp or the hair roots. A few drops of essential oil may also help decrease the potent odor of the juice. Peppermint, lavender, and rosemary essential oils can be good options to dilute the smell. Currently, there are no commercial products such as shampoos that contain onion juice. However, commercially prepared onion juice and onion liquid extract are available for those who do not want to make their own. So that is how onion juice can help improve your hair growth.